Keurig water filters play a crucial role in maintaining your coffee maker's performance and ensuring great tasting coffee. Understanding why and when to replace them is essential for optimal brewing. Water filters are essential because they remove impurities that can affect both your coffee's taste and your machine's longevity. They filter out chlorine, sediments, and odors while protecting your Keurig from mineral buildup. Replace your Keurig water filter every 2 months or after 60 tank refills, whichever comes first. This schedule applies even when using spring or distilled water, as filters can become clogged with impurities over time. Many newer Keurig models feature built-in reminder systems that notify you when it's time to replace the water filter. These helpful indicators take the guesswork out of maintenance scheduling. For optimal performance, descale your Keurig every few months, ideally every other filter change. Consider using Keurig rinse pods between different coffee flavors to prevent flavor transfer and maintain clean brewing. Regular filter replacement is essential for maintaining your Keurig's performance and ensuring consistently great tasting coffee. Following this simple maintenance schedule will keep your machine running smoothly for years to come. We'll walk through each step of replacing your Keurig water filter. Follow along carefully for best results. Step 1. Purchase a new Keurig water filter. These are typically sold in multi-packs, so you'll have replacements ready for future changes. Step 2. Remove the water reservoir from your Keurig. This is usually located on the left side of the machine. Lift it straight up to remove it completely. Step 3. Remove the old filter unit from the reservoir. Pinch the tabs at the bottom of the filter holder to release it, then pull out and discard the old filter cartridge. Step 4. Prepare your new filter. First, soak it in cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. Then rinse it under running water for 60 seconds to remove any loose particles. Step 5. Install the new filter. Place it in the holder with the rounded side facing up. Snap the two sides of the holder together securely around the filter. Step 6. Insert the filter unit back into the reservoir and push down firmly. If your filter has a reminder dial, set it to 2 months ahead as a reminder for the next replacement. Step 7. Run a brew cycle with water only to remove any remaining residue from the new filter. Then refill the reservoir with fresh filtered water. Your Keurig is now ready with a clean, new filter.